coffee cup gone cold on the table. Rain is tracing pathways down the glass. You're resting in the room behind me, and I'm counting shadows as they pass. We used to fill these walls with laughter. Now the silence knows too much. I reach to trace the curve of your shoulder, but I've forgotten how to touch. The night keeps stretching